Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl Crystal Chanel and I am back today with a new video. It has been a while since I've done a getting ready with me video, so I'm gonna be covering my hair, my makeup, my outfit, everything I do to smell good. So if you want to see how it is that I put together this look, stay tuned. And before we get into the details of the hair, makeup, and outfit selection, I want to go ahead and let you know I did partner with Dossier for this video. You guys know I have been using Dossier for over a year now. I really do appreciate that they have really similar designer-inspired fragrances that will save you a lot of money. So the ones I'm going to talk about today are the ones I'm about to spray. This one is Amber Saffron. Y'all, I absolutely love this smell. This is probably my third bottle, and the best way I can describe this smell is that it's sultry, it's feminine, it's powerful, really yummy. I know you guys see all of the girls rocking this scent. It's Baccarat Rouge 540, and I will put the link down below to this bottle because y'all, you can get this for around $59 and you get 50 milliliters compared to paying upward of $400, $500, $600 for almost the same exact smell. I don't own a bottle yet because, like I said, it's expensive, but I'm telling you that this is a really close dupe because every time I've gone in store to purchase another fragrance, I actually smell this bottle and I believe I'm in love. Now, just so you have an idea of what it smells like, it has top notes of orange and blossom. It's going to give you that kind of fruity smell when you first put it on and spray it. Then it picks up on a little bit of cedar wood and plum. And then at the very base notes, after you've worn it all day long, after you have come back from the club, smell those base notes of amber. I believe there's some almond in here. And when I say this smell will stick with you, there's been times after I wash my clothes, I still can smell the scent. There's been times where it's still in my hair. It's still on my person. Like, it's just crazy, but it's such a pleasant smell and it's one of a kind. When I'm out and about, I smell girls walk by me and I'm like, okay, you a baddie, you a bad bitch, because that's what it's given. It's given rich bitch and it's given bad girl energy. So this next smell is the one that I was not too sure about, but again, I love using Dossier to try new scents because they do have an exchange period, return period, where if you try out a new scent and you don't like it, you don't have to worry, you can get your money back. I got this for my wife. I love her to smell sweet but masculine, but not too manly, if that makes sense. So this one has notes of pink pepper, neroli, rum, blonde woods, tobacco leaves, and vanilla. This one is inspired by Replica Jazz Club. That smells really good. Yeah, this is a yes. I can see why they call it Jazz Club because it would remind me of something you smell going into a cigar bar, something you smell on a distinguished gentleman, something you smell on a sexy wife like mine. Make sure you check everything down below in the info box. If I can find a coupon code for Dossier, I will definitely put that in there. If you are totally unsure of where to start as far as picking a fragrance, there is a quiz on their website. Answer a couple of questions. It'll give you a couple of options and go from there. Yes, girl, I'm gonna go ahead and spray myself down, smell good, head out the door. But before I do, let's go ahead and get into this getting ready with me.
So we are going to start by moisturizing your face, putting on primer. I'm just going to go ahead and darken in my eyebrows a little bit, and then I use this item to go ahead and draw hair-like strokes. I can do a full tutorial if you guys want, but I also do have a full playlist down below that's going to have my full makeup routine from start to finish. Here, I'm kind of just keeping it neutral. I'm using some concealer, I'm using some foundation, went ahead, carved out my eyebrows. Now I'm just putting on some eyeshadow and doing a winged liquid eyeliner. Then I'm going to put on some eyeshadow just to kind of diffuse that line so it's not so harsh. And of course, some lip liner, some lip gloss, and yes girl, your lips is popping. From here, I spray my face and go ahead and let it dry, and I am all set with makeup.
Okay, y'all, so I just finished my beat. Mind you, I didn't want to show you the entire thing. I do the same thing almost every time. I just switched up with the eyebrows. Let me know if you want to see my new full eyebrow tutorial. But long story short, I will put the links down below to my beauty playlist. That way you guys can see how I do my full makeup. But yeah, we're about to get into the hair. I just put on my little wig cap. I put a little bit of concealer right there down my middle part because, you know, I got to bust down. and I'm about to do my wig real quick. I'm gonna put really big waves in the hair. I'm gonna do a braid, like a fishtail braid, and I'm not gonna curl the very front until I put it on.
So for the hair, we're going to go ahead and get started. I did start with freshly washed hair, so the hair has some movement to it, put some curls into it, and now I'm doing a 4-strand braid, which basically is like a fishtail braid. My second time doing it, so I don't think it looked too bad. Next time I'll use more hair so it can be wider. But I wanted to have that texture and that fun detail, so I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. This is the closure wig. I will see if I can find the details and put the links down below, but I just use a little bit of the Got To Be hairspray to use it as adhesive for the front lace part. And now I'm just going to go ahead and finish up with my hair as far as with the curls and styling.
Next is the outfit. Let's go ahead and pick something. It's really warm today. It's kind of humid, but I want to go ahead and pick something fun and not, you know, too serious. So let's go see what we have. Now I'm kind of going for like a casual feel, so maybe a 2-piece combo, like a shirt and pants, which you can really put anything together if you have some camo pants. I'm really feeling these. Let me show y'all what this is right here.
Now for the outfit, girl, you know Amazon is bae right now. I love this shirt. It's so stretchy and it's so cute. And I'm going to go ahead and link everything down below.
Are we feeling this outfit? I haven't put on my accessories yet, but this is the shirt. It's very stretchy. I absolutely love it. I think it's really cute and playful. Again, it's kind of warm today, so these are the shoes. These are boots. I really kind of was going for the whole combat boot and army fatigue vibe. I don't have any socks on, but let me kind of put this on so I get an idea. I really would have put it on with some heels, like little strappy black heels or orange heels. But I don't have any orange shoes, and my toes aren't done anyway, so. And I'm probably gonna put on like a little jacket, a black little crop jacket, because I don't know what the weather's supposed to be like later. It's getting high waters. Yeah, I don't know about these pants. Let me put on the skirt and let's see. I'm feeling this better. I'm gonna wear this. I like how different it looks together. Plus the boots, I think, make it edgy. And I'm gonna have on my little jacket. How this all came together. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my accessories and yeah, put on my jacket, and I'll show y'all the outfit.
And you know I gotta smell good, so once you get your outfit on, you gotta go ahead and put on your Dossier spray one more time. But y'all, can I tell you how fun this outfit was? I thought I looked really cute. I felt amazing in it. I had so many compliments. Literally, I had like 3 compliments from people that day because of my hair, my makeup, and the skirt. The skirt, a lot of people loved. So if you're thinking about getting a skirt, it does fit true to size. You can even size down. I want to say I got this skirt in a large or extra large. I will put the sizings that I got for everything down below, as well as my measurements. But the event was so much fun. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so you guys can see my stories and all the details of everything there. But absolutely love Naima Jade's event, and yeah, get into the outfit, girl. She was cute. What do you think?
Okay, dolls, so that's it. Make sure you check out the links down below for everything that I sprayed and talked about today. And if I could find a coupon code for Dossier, I will definitely check that out. I will also put the links to my makeup playlist as well as my hair playlist. And of course, every item that I have on with the link and these sizes. Instagram just got verified. I'm excited about that. Woo! You are following me on Instagram. My name is @ChrissyTheDoll_official. Make sure you are following me on TikTok, and my name is @ChrissyTheDoll. Last thing, if you are not subscribed to the channel, girl, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that subscribe button, share this video with a friend, and yeah, that's really it. I want to thank you again for all of your love and support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.